What's up, guys? Venomboyz Garage. I am out here to make a little short. My new video should have dropped today. It was kind of... But I do now have the GoPro 13 Black. So, I want to give this thing a shot and see what it can do, how to sound it, how to make the images better so I can get you guys some better videos. But and that going that way, we're gonna be out here with the 78. I got some new seat belts, we got new armrests, door panels, underglow, speedometers, package tray, new speakers, stereo, everything. Speedway motors, and Jay hooked me up. So we're gonna get that the inside tackled out a little bit, and then maybe by then the warmth will come in and warm this place up a little bit. But to watch that, I'd like for you guys to subscribe, comment, tell me what you think about this new camera, about the new video. This car going by, just never know on this road. But yeah, all right guys, like I said, just shoot me a comment, subscribe, like, tell me if you like it, tell me if it sucks, tell me if I suck. But all right guys, follow me on Venomboyz Garage Facebook. Like I always say, send me a friend request, I'll accept, shoot shit with you. Another car. But all right guys, hit that subscribe button, show me some love. We about to paint this thing. We gotta get some numbers up. 13 Black GoPro. I'm about to upload this and see what it sounds like. Later guys.